Expediting workflow process. Following are the stages of expediting workflow process. Contact with supplier. Coordinate and finalize kickoff meeting. Finalize execution philosophy. Ensure document submission. Update consolidated report. Give feedback to internal team. Prompt reporting and remedial measures. Monitoring and controlling progress. Coordinate with all departments. Review document status. Liaise with inspection agency. Issue inspection release note and shipping documents. Coordinate with dispatch team. Update dispatch details. Coordinate with supplies for shortage report. Assist in preparation feedback report. Let us discuss this in detail. First stage in expediting workflow processes to establish first contact with supplier after issuing purchase order. Second stage is to coordinate and finalize kickoff meeting with supplier. Third stage is to review and finalize execution philosophy. Fourth stage is ensure timely submission of engineering and quality documents for approval. Fifth stage is prepare and update consolidated weekly, monthly expediting report as per requirement. Sixth stage is to give feedback to internal team on improvements required at vendor's place. Seventh stage is prompt reporting of any non-conformity, critical issues, and ensure implementation of remedial measures. Eighth stage is monitoring and controlling progress of engineering, procurement, manufacturing, inspection activities. Ninth stage is to coordinate with all departments such as projects, engineering, PPC, manufacturing, purchase, quality, shipping, and dispatch for smooth execution. 10th stage is to review critical document status, sub-order document status, material availability, and production status. 11th stage is liaise with inspection, third-party inspection agency for inspection activities as per approved quality plan. 12th stage is issue inspection release note and obtain shipping documents from suppliers. 13th stage is coordinate with shipping and dispatch team. 14th stage is update shipping plan and dispatch details. 15th stage is follow up and coordinate with supplier for shortage or damages report until closure. Last stage is assist in preparation of supplier's feedback report and PO closeout. So, this is the whole expediting workflow process.